All right. So you go into, you're within your first 90 days of being CIO in a new hospital. You start to identify some things, and you talk about silos. This is, I've gone into a lot of organizations as a consultant, as a CIO, and as an interim CIO, and silos is deadly to an IT organization. And so when you identify silos, what are some of the things you need to do in order to break down those silos?
Yeah, so I agree with you. If your network team is not talking to your technicians, they're not talking to the trainers, they're not talking to the system administrators, it is definitely the, sympathy of death, right? And so right now I'm trying to just with the baby steps of just team building, right? So just, getting folks to actually talk to one another. And so I did a survey my first few weeks in the position, and using poll everywhere, so it was completely anonymous, and it allowed the employees to actually answer the questions and answer hopefully more honestly than if it was like some type of sensing session or group therapy type meeting. And so got the baseline data, and and was really surprised to kind of see the results that I saw. And so first of all, so we're trying to do some, team building exercises in a sense. And so we did bowling. We went bowling one day on a day that we had a very low census because it was a training. It was almost like akin to a federal holiday here on the installation. So very few patient appointments that day. So we went bowling. We are having a Christmas party, a holiday party coming up. And I am toying with the idea right now of fostering engagement, but I'm trying to, I have ideas of what that platform is going to be. And so right now I'm thinking something very low key, this I call it, CIO chat, Friday mornings, let's get together, let's drink coffee and then say, hey, what are the trends? What's trend? What do you see? My frontline desk, what are you seeing right now? In the organization, and my training, what are my trainers, what are the providers telling you right now? But I need to find a way to do it in a way that's collaborative and not finger pointing, because the environment that I came into, there's some frustrations between certain departments and their interactions with one another. And so
it's people, right? Anytime you have people, you're going to have you're going to have challenges. So what you're trying to do is you're trying to get them to interact with each other outside of work so that they can establish rapport, means of communication, see that maybe they share the same common mission, and see each other's perspective, I guess.
No, yeah, absolutely. And I mean, because again, this is my mantra: relationships matter. At the end of the day, relationships matter. And so, I tease my staff and I said, if I have to get big t-shirts that say we get along, I will get them.